Hello guys, here in this video I'll be showing you how to see allocation of Paws on your ByBit wallet. So a lot of people have been finding it difficult to see their allocation, and they have asked me to make a video so that they'll be able to see their allocation, if they have received their allocation or not, because since ByBit has some issues with the Paws allocation, a lot of people don't know if they have received their own allocation or not. So in this video, I'll be showing you everything on how you can be able to see your allocation on ByBit. Understand? So just have to stick with this video. But before we continue, I would like to appreciate you if you subscribed to this channel. But if you have not subscribed to this channel, just do that right now by hitting the subscribe button. It's a way of supporting the growth of this channel, because once you do that, YouTube will continue to recommend this channel to other people so that they'll be able to see the solution that you are about to see now. So let's hop into it right now. So this is my ByBit screen, and the first thing for you to do is to tap on assets, which can be found at the bottom of the screen. Understand? So you have to tap on assets. So that is the asset tab. You just have to tap on it, and once you tap on assets, you'll be brought to the asset screen. So this is the asset screen, so you just have to swipe up a bit. Now we have the funding account and we have the unified trading account, as you can see here. So this is the funding account and this is the unified trading account. So for every time a project is dropping an airdrop allocation into your wallet, it will always be in the funding account. Understand? You always see it in the funding account here. So all we are going to do right now is to tap on the funding account. And once we tap on the funding account, our funding account will open. And these are projects that are in the funding account. So all what you have to do is to continue to swipe until you find the project that you are looking for. And in this video, we are looking for Paws. So we are going to swipe until we see if Paws is here. So we continue swiping, and yes, here is Paws. So this is Paws. So you just have to tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will see if your location is here. So if your location has dropped, you will likely see it here. Understand? You will likely see it here. And the dollar value, if it has been listed, will be here. So for all of you who have been looking for a way to see how to know if your Paws has dropped, this video perfectly explains everything to you. Understand? From the home screen onto the funding account, you just have to follow it as explained. You tap assets. From assets, you tap the funding account, and from the funding account, you can even search here. Use the search button to search for Paws. And as you can see, once you search for Paws, here it is. You just have to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see the allocation there and everything you need to see. So thank you for watching this video. And like I always say, support the growth of this channel by tapping on the subscribe button. Like and share this video. Tap on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you for watching.